Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I did this cloud set with marble accent nails, except I'm going to be showing you how I do it with a minty blue color gel polish from the Makartt Mermaid Flare gel polish collection. So this is how the purple set came out. The mint set looks exactly like this except in mint blue, so make sure you don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below, and let's just get right into the video. So of course I already have my full cover tips on with my base coat on, and I'm just going to go in with the Makartt gel polish in shade 9820 from their Mermaid Flare collection, gel polish collection. Don't forget, if you use code KCakes you can get 15% off all Makartt products. So basically I'm just going to be putting a few coats of that on my thumb, my pointer finger, and my pinky finger. So for the marble design, I'm going to go in with the shade 9821, 9819, and shade 9822, and that light mint shade that I was using earlier. So here I'm trying a different marbling method. I just went and put all the colors down in just random spots around the nail. I don't believe I had a wet base coat underneath, but I might have. I don't think it makes that much of a difference. I think if you just have a wet base coat on underneath, it just makes it easier for the gel polishes to move around. So now I'm just going in with a nail art detailing brush I got off Amazon, and I'm just going to be making the marble design with that. So basically I just swirl the colors around together until I get the desired look, and as always all the products that I use will be linked down below. And if there was any excess gel on the brush, I would just wipe it off on a paper towel and go back in with a clean brush to try to make it look as much as marble as possible. And this is what the nail ended up looking like. So I'm basically just going to be doing the exact same thing on my ring finger, just putting the colors down in random areas on the nail and then just swirling them all together with a nail art detailing brush. Also, if the editing style to this video is a little bit different from my other videos, I am trying out a different method of editing. So if like the voiceovers or just the editing in general looks different, that would be why. So now I'm going to go in with this gold foil that I got from Makartt. It came in this little kit with a bunch of different colors. I think they all look really pretty. So I still have the tacky layer of the gel polish there, so the gold foils will stick easier. So basically I'm just putting them in like random areas of the nail. I just like chose 2 places to put it, and it kind of made it look a little bit like a rock or like a crystal rock, you know what I mean? It kind of gives off that vibe, kind of, not really, but regardless, I think it ended up making the nail look really pretty. So to make it look a little less harsh, I just go in with those tweezers and kind of like scratch it a little bit, and just try to make it look a little bit more messy instead of like, you know, harsh and in your face. And this is what the marble nails ended up looking like. I think they look really cute. So now I'm going in with the awesome gel polish color in shade AC20-5, and it's just this white color. So I'm going to wipe off the excess gel off of the brush, and this is what I'm going to be using to make the clouds. So I guess this is kind of like the easy way of doing clouds. I kind of just make out a shape that kind of looks like a cloud, and then I go in with a brush and just try to diffuse the underneath of it to kind of make it look like, you know, like a cloud. Basically, when I do my nails, with this set at least, I didn't really have an idea. When I do my own nails, I don't have like a set idea that I want to do and how I'm going to execute it. So basically, I just kind of wing it every single time I do my nails, and if they end up looking good, then you'll be seeing it on my nail Instagram, which is linked down below if you want to give that a follow as well. It helps me out a lot. So I am dipping this brush in a little bit of alcohol and rubbing off the excess just to diffuse the bottom of the clouds a little bit to make them look less harsh, you know, like so it doesn't have a harsh edge and looks a little bit more like clouds. So in person, the mint color is a little bit more green looking. The lighting that I had really washed the color out, so it makes it kind of difficult to see the clouds on camera, but you can see them a little bit more in person, so I'm sorry if it's a little bit difficult to see them in this video. So I'm just doing the exact same thing on my pointer and my pinky finger. With clouds, I feel like you can be a little bit messy with it. Like you don't need them to look absolutely perfect because clouds just look like clouds, you know? So I think the cloud design is a really nice design because you can literally make it like really easy and they end up turning out really good. So now I'm going in with these mint colored rhinestones and these iridescent rhinestones. These I did get off of Makartt, and on my purple set you can see that I have like the purple rhinestones on the outside, and that one I think it's an AB crystal rhinestone in the middle. Correct me if I'm wrong. But I'm just going in with the rhinestone gel from Makartt, and I'm just putting a line of that near my cuticle so that I can place those rhinestones down without them slipping too much. And I'm just grabbing this rhinestone picker that I got off of Amazon, and I'm just going to go ahead and place those rhinestones where I want them to be. And not only is this rhinestone glue like a little bit thicker than regular gel polish, but it helps keep the rhinestones on for longer, and while you're putting the rhinestones down, it helps them not slip too much. And I know it's been a long time since I've posted any videos on my channel. I've been having some technical difficulties that I wasn't able to edit any videos or post them, but I have been active on my nail Instagram, so if you haven't followed that yet, the link will be down below. but I have been doing nail sets like back to back to back, and I have footage for all of it, but I just wasn't able to edit it, obviously. So hopefully I'll be able to edit all of them now and have them posted weekly like I originally wanted to do. So I'm just placing the rhinestones down exactly how I had them on my middle finger. I'm just placing them down on my ring finger, and then before curing the rhinestone glue, I go over it with some top coat just to blend the rhinestone glue with the rest of the nail, because otherwise you'll have it kind of like bumpy. So this is how the set turned out. I think it turned out super cute. I think the purple and the mint color really complement each other really well. Those are actually my two favorite colors together, and all the gel polishes I used in this video are from the Makartt Mermaid Flare gel polish collection. All the colors in that collection are super cute, so I definitely recommend trying it out. And if you do, don't forget to use code KCakes and you can get 15% off that purchase. And here are the nails side by side. If you guys liked watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment down below. It really helps me out a lot. Thank you guys so much for the love and support, and thank you so much for watching.